ka jingkam jong ka Voice of the People Party haki Sngewbha baka Sorkar lyngba UCM kan khot Iakren yaki Halor Jingdawa jong ka VPP ban Iakren sani bhabat Chief Minister rynkat ki he officer ban pynrung biang yaki laingut ki officer bala shah wengkam naka Lokayukta naka liang Chief Minister ka jylla congrad sangma mynta ka sngi ha ka jing kynduh bat ki ladpahthai khubor ulaong baka Sorkar kanum khot Iakren yanu ru Henry ka Kloi pat ban Pdiang Sngewbha ya Kino Kino ki Kloi ban Wan Shakhmat ban Iakren ya Kino Kino ki mat jong kari bat ka jaj ban rit.
So is the government going to call VPP for talks?
What talks?
Because they want to talk about Lokayukta last time.
No, as I've mentioned, we are very much open. Anybody can come and meet us at any time. I think this government has been one of the most open governments. We have no problem in meeting anybody on any issue. I have no issue. Anybody can come in any time.
Can you tell us on the status of the reservation committee?
The committees have met a number of times. As I said, they are independent committees, so we really don't monitor personally into what they're doing. But multiple meetings have been held. I think recently also there was one meeting held. I was informed by Chief Secretary. So they are working, and I presume that the chairman will be in the best position, so you'll have to speak to him. But the committee has started working.
A related question about UGC's recent guidelines about de-reserving.
Sorry?
Of UGC guidelines. Will you be taking up with the UGC?
I have not seen anything.
The UGC saying that de-reservation of.
I have not seen any official communication. Till I don't see any official communication, I cannot comment on, just simple news articles. I have not read any official communication from anybody.
So, since Lok Sabha election may be declared in the month of April so are you planning to hold talks with Assam government prior to the declaration of the...
So we don't know when the elections will be announced, so it's difficult to say when and where that will be. But our talks will continue as per our pace. Of course, if elections are announced, then it will become a bit of an inconvenience for everybody. But we will continue our process. As I said, I had a meeting with Honorable CM Assam at an unofficial level. We had breakfast together just last week in Guwahati, and we discussed about these matters. As you're aware that these kind of discussions need to be taken place at official level. A lot takes place at unofficial level. There are times when him and myself have to sit down and really thrash out the issues. So process is continuous, and the formal meetings of course are the formal part of it. But in these kind of talks, there's a lot of informal discussions that need to be put into, a lot of discussions that take place without formal meetings. So all those processes are continuing.
Rahul Gandhi has said that Meghalaya is ruled from Assam, from Delhi, not from Meghalaya.
I have no comments to make on that.